Hey guys, hope y'all are doing great today. Just wanted to show you this raised bed that I made yesterday, and it's approximately 6 feet long. It's got a 4 foot width, so from this front side right here to the back side right there, it's about 4 feet across. And looking height wise, just to give y'all a kind of a picture of that, it's about 1.5 feet tall, maybe from the bottom to the top, from ground level. And then it's actually got this little small ditch, it's maybe 1 foot deep, just dug with the shovel around the outside. And I put in a few of these recently, and prefer this way over the kind of regular method of building, with having like a wood liner, say, around the whole thing. It kind of lets it, to me, it seems to let the water drain off better this way, and that way it can drain out, and it can also hold water really well down here in the bottom. So we actually had I was out here digging this yesterday morning, and we had quite a lot of rain right after that, and it was lasting almost up till now. The next day kind of started as a soft rain and then got a little steadier throughout the day. But so you can see the water drains off of the mound, and even water's coming down slope coming from that way, so it actually will catch this water, and still got a little bit of water sitting in it right now. So it can kind of act as like a mini swell, and capturing some of that extra rainfall and letting it soak in nearby, and absorbed by the mound, but also letting it drain better for plants that like that soil that's not so wet and got a lot of air in it. And nice thing about it too is it's totally free. It's so much easier to make, in my opinion. You can change it easier. You don't have to take apart any wood, move anything like that. You just simply scoop it back into the into the hole that it came from around here, and just fill that in. If you need to change or move something, it's not a permanent fixture. It looks a whole lot more natural. You can mow right up to the edge. You don't have to, if you are mowing, you can mulch around the edge, which is what I plan to do, and even grow stuff right out here hopefully soon. And just, to me, is a lot easier, has a lot more benefits than a normal raised bed, just in my opinion. And you're not having to use anything. You don't have to worry about the wood rotting or anything, or starting to look ugly, or doing any of that. And so just leaving it, and I've got just kind of some shredded leaves and some whole leaves on there mixed in just as a cover. And I may plant some fall vegetables soon on here, or winter, see if I can get some pretty cold hardy stuff growing. Our winters don't get too cold, usually around the mid-20s for really cold nights, so hopefully you can get some cold tolerant stuff growing there. Maybe I may just wait till spring. I probably will do that, just since it's maybe hard to get something established quite this late. But I'm gonna give it a try, just throw some few seeds on there and see what happens. So yeah, just thought I'd show that, and as an option to kind of a traditional raised bed. You get all the benefits of it, but it has a lot more natural look. It's totally free. Didn't cost me anything. It's only about 30 minutes to dig. It was nice and cool outside, so that made it a lot easier. And I've got a nice spot to grow. So 6 times 4 is about 24 square feet of growing area, and harvesting some water too, keeping that there. And just thought I'd share that, and hope y'all are having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.